Ever wondered how the body, mind, and spirit connect to create a healthier you? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of holistic healing, a practice that emphasizes the importance of the whole and the interdependence of its parts. It's not just about alleviating symptoms or curing a physical ailment. It's about understanding that our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being are just as crucial to our overall health. In essence, holistic healing is a lifestyle approach. It recognizes that our daily habits, our environment, our thoughts, and even our relationships can all impact our health. It's about recognizing that health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Let's take a moment to think about what this means. Imagine you're dealing with chronic headaches. A traditional approach might involve taking painkillers to relieve the symptoms, but a holistic approach? It goes several steps further. It asks, what's causing these headaches? Could it be stress, a lack of sleep, maybe even your diet? It seeks to address the root cause, not just the symptom, promoting healing from within. One of the core principles of holistic healing is the belief that individuals have the innate healing power. Yes, you heard that right. You have within you the power to heal and maintain health. This is not about rejecting traditional medicine, but rather, it's about empowering individuals to take charge of their health, to make conscious choices that promote well-being. Holistic healing also emphasizes the importance of balance. It understands that our bodies are complex systems, and when one part is out of sync, it can impact the whole. So it aims to restore that balance, to create harmony between our physical, mental, and spiritual selves. The beauty of holistic healing is that it honors the whole person, creating a balanced life that is tailored to your unique needs. Now let's hear from those who have walked the path of the soul-organic life journey. Just imagine a bustling cityscape filled with individuals hustling through life, each with their unique challenges. Among them, a young professional named Sarah. She was always on her toes, meeting deadlines, juggling responsibilities, and trying to keep up with the fast-paced world. Sarah felt overwhelmed, and stress started taking a toll on her well-being. Then, she discovered the soul-organic life journey. It wasn't long before she began to experience a remarkable transformation. Her stress levels dropped, her energy surged, and she felt more connected to herself than ever before. Sarah's story is just one of many. Now picture a serene seaside town where retirees enjoy their golden years. Among them, we find John, a man who had worked tirelessly for decades and was now struggling with chronic health issues. He felt disconnected from his body and was losing hope. But then, John embarked on the soul-organic life journey. He started focusing on his body, mind, and spirit, and soon he began to feel better. His health improved, his energy increased, and he felt a newfound joy in life. John's journey is another testament to the transformative power of the soul-organic life approach. But it's not just Sarah and John. There are countless individuals from all walks of life who have experienced the profound benefits of the soul-organic life journey. They've found a way to reconnect with themselves, to heal holistically, and to live more fulfilling lives. From young professionals battling stress, to retirees seeking a healthier lifestyle, people from diverse backgrounds and age groups have found success with the soul-organic life journey. These stories are powerful reminders of the potential that lies within us all. They show us that it's possible to overcome challenges, to heal, and to thrive. They tell us that the path to wellness is attainable and that it's never too late to embark on this journey. These stories are proof that the soul-organic life journey can transform lives. But what exactly is the soul-organic life journey? Well, let's dive right into it. The soul-organic life journey is a holistic approach to wellness that amalgamates 4 key components: nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and spiritual practices. Each of these elements is like a thread in a tapestry, weaving together to create a vibrant picture of health and well-being. Nutrition, the first component, is not just about what we eat. It's about nourishing our bodies with wholesome organic foods that align with our unique needs and preferences. This is not about stringent diets or food restrictions. Instead, it's about making mindful choices that fuel our bodies for optimal performance. Next, we have exercise. This doesn't mean punishing gym sessions or grueling workouts. Rather, it promotes an active lifestyle that suits your individual fitness level. It could be a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or a swim in the ocean. The goal is to get moving in a way that you enjoy and that supports your overall health. Mindfulness, the third component, is about cultivating a deep awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. It's about being present in each moment, not lost in the past or anxious about the future. By practicing mindfulness, we can reduce stress, enhance our focus, and improve our emotional well-being. Last but certainly not least are spiritual practices. These are deeply personal and can vary greatly from person to person. For some, it might be meditation or prayer. For others, it could be spending time in nature or expressing themselves through art. These practices connect us to something greater than ourselves, fostering a sense of peace and purpose. As we combine these four elements, we start to see the magic of the soulganic life journey. It's not about quick fixes or temporary solutions. It's about nurturing our bodies, minds, and spirits in a way that promotes long-term sustainable health. The soulganic life journey is a comprehensive approach to health that nourishes every part of you. You might be thinking, how can I start my soulganic life journey? Setting off on this journey requires a blend of intention, determination, and a dash of courage. It's about creating a lifestyle that nurtures your mind, body, and soul holistically. So let's dive into some practical steps to kickstart your soulganic life journey. Firstly, setting realistic goals is vital. It's not about an overnight transformation, but rather a gradual and sustainable change. Start with small, achievable targets. Maybe it's incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals, or dedicating 15 minutes each day to meditation. Remember, the key is consistency, and every little step counts towards your larger journey. Secondly, find a supportive community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide encouragement, motivation, and valuable insights. This could be a local wellness group, an online forum, or even a group of friends looking to embark on a similar journey. The shared experience can make the journey more enjoyable and less daunting. Next, listen to your body. This isn't just about physical wellness, but emotional and spiritual wellness too. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you're feeling tired, it might be a sign that you need more rest or a different type of nourishment. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, it might be time to explore calming practices like yoga or mindfulness. Your body has an innate wisdom. It's essential to tune in and listen. Finally, equip yourself with the right tools. This could be anything from a journal to jot down your thoughts and progress, to wellness apps that help track your meals and fitness activities, or even inspiring books that provide guidance and motivation. The soulganic life journey is about embracing your unique path to wellness. It's about being kind to yourself, honoring your needs, and celebrating your progress, however small. With the right mindset and tools, you can embark on your soulganic life journey today. Imagine a future where health is not just about treating illness, but about nurturing wellness. A future where the power of holistic healing is harnessed to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. This is the potential of the soulganic life journey. Holistic healing is all about viewing the individual as a whole, integrating the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of well-being. It's about understanding that each of these aspects are interconnected, and that a disruption in one can affect the others. This approach is a stark contrast to conventional healthcare, which often focuses on treating symptoms rather than addressing root causes. But that's not all. Holistic healing goes beyond the individual, considering the impact of environmental and social factors on health. It acknowledges that our well-being is linked to the health of our communities and our planet. This is where the power of soulganic life journey comes into play. It's not just about healing, it's about transformation. It's about empowering you to take charge of your health, to make informed decisions that align with your unique needs and goals. The beauty of this journey is that it's personalized. It respects that each individual is unique with their own set of experiences, challenges, and aspirations. It understands that what works for one person may not work for another. This personalized approach ensures that the journey is tailored to you, setting you up for success in achieving optimal health and well-being. And it's not a one-time deal. The soulganic life journey is ongoing, adapting as you grow and evolve. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your health and happiness in the long term. So what does this mean for you? It means that you have the power to shape your health, to nurture your well-being in a way that is meaningful to you. It means that you have the tools to navigate the complexities of health and wellness, to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. The power of holistic healing is within your reach. Embrace the soulganic life journey and unlock the potential for a healthier, happier you.